Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for your English class? We had started with the chapter 9, the Golden Touch. Are you all excited to know what happens further? So come on children, take out your textbook and let us read part 2. So in the last video lesson, we had completed till here that a strange figure comes and tells to King Midas that you are a good man and good king, but your only weakness is your obsession for gold, right? So he says, I want this power, I want it more than I want anything in the world. Then let us see what happens next. Alright, but I warn you, gold, wealth and possessions. Possessions means children, your belongings are truly meaningless. So, the strange figure says, alright, I understand that you want gold, but remember, gold, wealth means money, valuable things, right? Gold, wealth and possessions are meaningless and of no use. No, no, cried Midas, please, I beg you, give me the golden touch. So again he says, no, no, please. जैसे छोटे बच्चे कैसे जिद करते हैं ना किसी टॉय के लिए. So the king says, no, no, please, I beg you, give me the golden touch and I will never ask anything and never make another wish and never dream another dream. I promise. So King Midas says, just once give me golden touch, that whatever I touch turns into gold, and then never I will ask anything. Granted then, said the figure. So the figure says, okay, granted. इतना समझाने के बाद finally the figure agreed, okay. He could hardly wait to put his finger on something and see. So जैसे ही king ने granted सुना, वो रुक नहीं पा रहा था. He could hardly wait to put his finger on something and see if it really turns into gold. He got up from his throne and walked out to the garden. So वो अपनी कुर्सी से उठा and where he went? He went towards the garden. He reached out and touched his beautiful fountain. He touched his fountain and lo and behold, the fountain, water and all turned instantly to lovely shining gold. So what happened? When he went to the garden, he touched fountain and it turned to gold. He touched a plate, a spear, and just for fun, he touched his daughter's old favorite teddy bear. So many things he touched. See, a plate, a spear. A spear means a weapon, and for fun he touched his daughter's teddy bear, and he could see that every single thing touched by him was turned into gold. Midas had the golden touch. Finally he had the golden touch. Gold, gold, gold everywhere. My life is complete and I have wealth beyond my wildest dreams. So he is thinking wildest dreams means our imagination, strong imagination. So beyond imagination. So he says that beyond imagination everything I have is of gold and now my life is complete. He was so excited that the warning of the grantor means the giver, of wishes was forgotten. He was so excited that he forgot the warning of the grantor. What was the warning? The grantor had told him that everything is of no use, this gold, wealth, possessions. He raced out into the garden to tell his beloved daughter. Then he raced to the garden to tell his daughter that his life's fondest wish had been granted. So he ran towards his daughter and told him that my wish is granted. He saw her across the garden and ran to her side, and then he reached out to put his arms around her to share his fantastic news. He was so excited to tell this news that what he did, he put his arms around his daughter. And as he touched her shoulder, he froze at the feel. As he touched his daughter, he froze at the feel of her skin, because anything he touched turned into gold. So, as soon as he touched his daughter, he froze at the feel. It was as hard and cold as gold. He jumped back in amazement. Amazement means shock. Just as he did, one of the beautiful birds who lived in the garden and always came to the princess landed on the very spot on her shoulder where her father had touched her. So the bird who always used to come and sit on the hand of the girl, that bird came as the bird saw that the girl has turned to gold. The bird cried out in fright and flew far up in the sky. Then the bird cried out and flew up. Just as that happened, the king remembered the warning he had received. And as soon as this happened, the king remembered the warning. Gold, wealth, possessions are meaningless. Remember, we should not run for materialistic things in life. Gold was meaningless, he realized the truth. When he saw that his favorite beautiful daughter has turned into gold, then he realized that this is of no use. But now it was too late to do anything. As he turned away in terrible pain, he felt a touch on his wrist. As he turned in his throne, he felt his crown slip from his head. So as he was sitting in tension and in pain, he felt a touch on his wrist. And who touched his wrist? And as he turned his throne, that means he turned his chair, he felt his crown slip from his head. "Oh father, you must have fallen asleep again," said a gentle voice. So all this was only a dream. The girl was safe. The girl had not turned into a gold. Not even a single thing had turned into a gold. That was dream of the king. So the girl says, "You must have fallen asleep again," to her father. It was his beloved daughter. Who touched the king? His beloved daughter. His touch of gold had been only a dream. For him, his touch had been a dream. He jumped up from his throne and hugged his daughter. He was so happy, realizing that his daughter is actually real and not turned into gold. He jumped from his throne and hugged his daughter. Yes, King Midas had finally learnt a lesson. That very day, the king gathered most of his great wealth and started to give it back to his subjects. On that day only, king gathered all his valuables, money, and started giving to his subjects, means to his people, and the poor of the kingdom, and all the poor people of the kingdom. He became the wisest and the most generous king. He became wisest means intelligent and generous king in the entire world. So I hope the story is clear for you. Now I'll show you video. So now see the video carefully. What happens further? This strange figure tells the king that everything is meaningless. Still he cried that no, I want gold, because it was his favorite thing, obsession. So he could hardly wait to put his hand to things and to see them change into gold. So now he is waiting when the figure granted him that, okay, I granted you, this wish will be completed. So he ran towards the garden, touched his fountain, and it turned into gold. Then he was so happy that he is amazed. Now he will touch other things like this spare teddy bear. Okay, so everything is turning into gold. So now he was so happy that my wish is completed. I have never even imagined that everything I will touch will turn into gold. So now to tell this story, he runs towards his daughter. See, now to tell this, that finally his wish was completed. He runs in the garden to tell this to his daughter, and as soon as he goes there, what happens? She was sitting and enjoying as she always used to sit there. So now the king will put his arms on the shoulder, and what he notices, that his daughter has also turned into gold. So now he is sad because he is shocked. How will he react if he sees? Now the bird will go and see the girl. This bird used to always come and sit on the hand of the girl. So now the bird came and flew away back into the sky. Then what happened further? Now the king is tensed and thinking that why I touched my daughter. Then he remembers that the figure had told him that all these things are useless. Okay, gold, wealth, possessions are useless. So now he realizes his mistake, that why I was fond of gold so much. Then what he does? Then what happened next, children? I told you the story, we read the story. Then his daughter comes and touches him, and he is so happy that, oh, my daughter has not turned into gold. Why this happened, children? Because this all was just a dream. And then he realizes his mistake and he becomes the wisest king, and he gives all his wealth to his subjects. That means to his people of the kingdom and poor people. So I hope now the story is clear for you. We'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.